Hello, today we want to learn how to make a simple organic foliar fertilizer known as SuperMagro. To make SuperMagro, you require a number of organic products, and one of them is fresh cow dung or rumen content, whichever you get, but rumen content is better. You pass water through this content and you get water at the bottom. Then you require ash, which you will also have to sieve to remove the solid particles. Then followed by milk, fresh milk, which you put the solution, which you had earlier passed through the dung, and then the ash. Then thirdly, you put dry yeast. Dry yeast, you put that solution and you mix well so that they are of a uniform mixture. Yeast would act now as the catalyst for the whole process, the fermentation process. After the yeast, the fourth product is molasses. Molasses, you measure the right amount. Everything here has a quantity that is required for the specific volume that you want. Then you mix the whole consignment, the solution, into a smooth mixture or a uniform mixture, shifting them from one bucket or from one barrel to the another so that they can be well mixed up. Then when you get them in that state, you put them into the fermentation container. This container should have a very tight cap or cover, and after putting the solution, you cork the cap and you fix a tube, plastic tube, which will be letting out the gases produced during the fermentation, but also put the loose end into a bottle of water fixed to the container so that gases can get out or escape but not return. So the whole process should be anaerobic. After that days, you are ready to use it on all crops. Like here, we are spraying on Irish potatoes. And the final product, as you can see here, are very healthy crops and producing huge crops. Thank you.